Hello, my name is Vanessa. I'm a light worker and I'm here to help. Yes, I have a funny microphone on my head. My microphone for my phone has broke and I just want to continue to put videos out there. This video, I want to talk to you about channeling and what that is. So that is how I intend to put myself out into the universe, is through channeling through source. One of the coolest things that's happened to me recently is I have surrendered to be employed by source. God, you can call it. I like to call it source. Um, but yeah, I've always known that I've had this deep love inside of me for all other living things, living beings, all humans, all humans. And it's just something that I never understood. I actually thought it was a weakness for most of my life growing up, having all of this empathy for others and feeling so much pain for others that it was really detrimental to me. But at this point in my life and all of the growth and magic that's happened in my life, I know that I'm here to put love out into the universe. And I want that to touch you. I want that to reach you. And I'm just feeling that so much right now. I was about to go inside my house. I just made another video, but this love, it's so powerful. I feel powerful. And I unconditionally love people. So, well, first, let's get back to channeling. So, channeling is when you basically use your body, yourself, as a vessel for source to come through. So, energy healing, which is what I want to do, um, that's what you do. You channel source, and you learn how to do this. This is available to all of us. We are all capable of this, by the way. It's not that I'm special or anything like that. It's just that I'm choosing this, and I'm putting my energy into it. But also, I think that it was, chose me. I feel it in my cells. I felt this as a child. So I just want to love on you right now for a second. And I just want you to know that you are loved. Source adores you just as you are right now. It doesn't matter what you've done, what you've achieved, who you think that you are, whatever things that you think you're lacking or bad traits that you have. It doesn't matter. You are loved. You are adored. There are angels singing for you. You have ancestors watching you, loving on you, and you are supported. You are never alone. And I encourage you to try to connect to this, connect to source, which is love. You know, I like to call it source instead of God because there are just so many negative connotations with that word, and wars were fought, and so many people have died at the hands of religion. And what I love about this, about source, is that it goes beyond doctrine. It goes beyond names and a need to name God. Um, it's love. That is what source is. It is absolute, pure, unconditional love. And unconditional love means that there is nothing that can change that. So for me, I unconditionally love everyone, even people who have done horrific things, and I am by no means um, encouraging or supporting this behavior. But the behavior aside, this person I love unconditionally. And that doesn't mean I want that person in my life or anything like that, but I wish them love. I wish them safety. I wish them happiness. I love them. And Source loves you. And I just want you to feel that. Oh, just want you to feel that. I hope you do. You are loved. You are loved. And if you ever are wanting to connect with your ancestors, you're feeling really alone, the best way to do that is through love. So, what you can do is actually focus in your heart center. If you can't just think of love and say love and then start to feel it in your chest, maybe think of something that you do love or that does invoke that feeling for you. And just focus on your heart space and really feel that. Because whenever you connect to love in any way, you are connecting to Source, you are connecting to your higher self, and you are connecting to your ancestors. So if ever you're feeling really lonely and you want to feel more connected, this is the way that you do this. I just love you so much. I've said that 1,000 times, but oh my gosh, I hope you leave here feeling loved. Um, I will connect with you soon and have a great day. Bye.